Hello class, welcome to week 11 of 12. So we are now getting to the point where we are wrapping things up. So this week we're talking a little bit more about sources and how to use sources in your paper. We're doing a little more review of the works cited page, which we have already covered. But I did notice that in your essay 2s that some of you still are working on formatting your works cited page correctly, so we have a little more info about that and a quiz. And because you're finding some of your own sources for essay 3, I have an activity related to using Google to search for sources, which I'm sure many of us are doing. I do it all the time. You aren't required in this class, in this paper, to use scholarly sources, which you would find on the university library databases. You can find sources on the university library page, including using their databases. But you can also find some good sources using Google. So this will give you a little more info on how to do that. And then I'm asking you to actually share one of the sources that you found. So remember, you are expanding your essay 2 based on, whichever topic that you talked about in your essay 2 that you want to talk about more. You're doing some additional research on whatever interests you. So you have a little more freedom as far as, what you want to explore and talk about in your essay 3. Your essay 3 rough draft is due at the end of the week. So you should have tried to expand your essay 2, adding at least 2 pages by the end of the week. So that I can see where you're going with it, what you've added. Try to add at least one source by the end of the week. And then your final draft of essay 3 and your revision of essay 1. So can't forget that. Your revision of essay 1 will be due at the end of week 12. Please let me know if you have any questions. Our office hours will be Monday night, so tonight, from 6 to 7:30.